Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2017 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, with some great fuel efficiency as well, and recently detailed, so it's nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking in the back seat, where you have spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have two fold-out cup holders with a 12-volt power outlet. And then looking at the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 107,797 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip 1 and 2 information, your fuel economy, fuel history, and compass and auto start stop. You also have your display mode with tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine info, my key status, distance to empty, transmission temperature. And you can look at your towing information, your off-road status, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and I believe USB and Bluetooth. So you have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Then above your screen, you have your traction control shut off, your hazards, and your auto start stop shut off. And moving down from your screen, you have your media controls and then your climate controls. Pretty simple, easy to use. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, Pro Trailer backup controller underneath that, and then a small cubby down here. And on the right, you have a 12-volt power outlet. And below your climate controls, you have another 12-volt power outlet with a USB in this little compartment where you can put your device while it's charging or something like that. And then looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul and sport mode buttons at the end of the stock. Moving on to your center console area, where you have two cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside, but then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And underneath that, you actually have another compartment with some flip out cup holders like so you can have a ton of room here and still have 2 beverages while this seat is folded up, or 4 in total if you're feeling wacky, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.